this place is next to metro Centrum Kopernik, so you can visit this place. They renovated this place completely. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. I make videos from Warsaw, so you can enjoy Warsaw from your country. Guys, you will find the location of this place. I will drop it in the description, so you can come and enjoy with your friends. There's a pavilion, so you can come in the evening, drink together, enjoy the evening. I hope you guys like my video, so subscribe my channel. Take care. It's Pavilion 512 Centrum, Nauki, Kopernik. It's basically Converse pop-up. It's a kind of a brand, but they are offering totally free gameplay to play games inside. Let me show you. Everything over here is totally free. You can come here with your friends and enjoy this all games. It's like more like a shoe brand, but you can come here and read books for free, play games, arcade, PlayStation, Xbox. They have PlayStation 5 now. So PlayStation 5 for free. This game, football, and the best table tennis.